What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Scale Router Collective. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is that you like, comment, and subscribe. It's 100% free and helps show your support to the channel. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit that notification bell to be notified about future uploads. Today, we're going to be going ahead and unboxing some Johnny Lightning Dragsters USA's. Got a few different series on card and got a few that are already off the card, so let's go ahead and get into it. First up from this series, we have the Drag On Lady, the Shirley Shahan car, Dragon Lady. Very nice looking car. Very cool looking card art, but the reason why we're unboxing these is because the cards aren't in the greatest of shape. So let's go ahead and bust this one out the blister. Get that coin. So here's a look at the coin. 69 Dragon Lady, Shirley Shahan. And here's the car. Really nice looking contingency sponsors. AMX. Really nice. Next up from the series, we got series number 1, Roger Lindamood, Color Me Gone. Also what's on the card art there. So let's go ahead and crack this one open. Here's a look at the coin. Johnny Lightning limited edition. Just the plastic coin with the sticker is still really cool. And this one is a funny car, so it opens up. And there it has the brace. So you can brace it up like that. Really awesome. Next up off the card, we have, from the same series 1, the Revolution. 71 Revolution, Ed McCullough. I think that's how you pronounce his last name. But it's just a Revel. So it's pretty cool. Also opens up because it's a funny car. So put the brace on that. Then next up from the same series 1, we got the 55 Jukebox, Norm Windsor. And it's the brown variant. Here's the car. And next up from Series 2, we have the Chi-Town Hustler. It's the only one I have from Series 2, and it's already off the card. But it's the 72 Chi-Town Hustler, Pat Minnick. So there's the coin. And since this is a funny car, it does open as you just saw. So really nice looking colors, good graphics, good sponsors as well. Got Kreger, Champion. So really nice looking car. So I don't have any more from Series 2. I don't have any at all from Series 3. So let's go ahead and get into the next one. Series 4, another Revolution, 71 Revolution, Ed McCullough. I think that's how you pronounce it. So apologize if I get it wrong. But just a different color variant on the car. Pretty much the same looking graphics and everything, just different color on the top. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. So here you can see that nice orange on the top. It's Still with the white and the blue with the red flames. Pop it open. It's a little tight, but there we go. So there's that one. Again, this orange one is series 4. This green one is series number 1. So it's pretty much the same thing, just again, different color. Next up, we have the Hawaiian Roland Leong, which you guys all know him from Don Prudhomme. So a really nice looking car. So this is series number 5. So let's go ahead and crack it open. So this is the car. Really nice looking blue. And again, it's a funny car, so it opens. Again, pretty tight. But there it is. And here's a closer look at the coin. 71 Hawaiian. Then next up for series 5, we have a Blue Max 71 Blue Max Raymond Beetle. Again, not sure if that's how you pronounce that last name, but again, it says collect all 11. Then they all had the same cars on the back. Not too sure. They also have the same copyright dates, but they said they were different series, so I don't know. But I guess maybe they just released a whole bunch in 1 year. But let's go ahead and crack this one open. Here's the car, green with white stripes, gold lettering, window louvers on the back, and that one wasn't that tight, but also a funny car, so it opens up. Really nice looking detail. There's the coin. Really cool. So here's all the cars we had opened and some of the ones that we cracked open. Next up, we have some pretty cool ones. We have the Johnny Lightning Dragsters Halloween 97 Scream Team. It's really hard to see the date on that one, but it's from 97. Really cool looking coin. Really nice looking orange color. And here's the car for it, the Scream Team, with like kind of like a phantom or ghost on there. Another funny car, so it does open up. So this one actually has rubber tires on it and colored rims. Really cool. And then another one we have that's kind of a specialty one is the Johnny Lightning Dragsters New Year's 98 Father Time. So there's a few different versions of this with like a baby. But here's the Father Time one. Got a scythe with the hourglass. And it says so long 1997. So this was going into 1998. It's a funny car as well, so it opens up. Got a golden roll cage on there. A golden support post. And again, this one has rubber wheels. Really nice looking green. So the rest of these all have plastic wheels, but then these ones have rubber. So that's something that's different about them. So these are the only two specialty ones that I have. So there we have it, all of our Johnny Lightning Dragster USAs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the show. If you did, hit that subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment down below what your favorite car was, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.